Hey, welcome guys. Welcome to C Software Solution. So today we'll see so why Java came into picture and why Java came into the market. Okay. So what is the requirement of Java? Okay. So first if we'll see, I'll tell you. So uh, introduction of Java. Okay. So here suppose we'll write introduction of Java. Got it? Yes. So the thing is, why Java came into picture? See, today is the from day onwards you are going to see every class contains a Java. Okay, so like today is the first class, and day by day you will get to know about Java, why Java is required, when Java came into picture. Okay, and how should we go for Java, how we can download the software, how we can set the class path variables, how we can start working. Okay, so now see what is Java and why Java came into picture, so that all these things you will see clearly. Okay, just have patience and please attend concentrately this class. Okay, the thing is, now one person can ask me one question, sir, what is Java? Java is nothing but a programming language, right? So you can ask one more question, sir, I don't have any prior knowledge, okay, in of any programming like C++, I don't have any knowledge, so can I start Java as my first programming language or not? Okay, the answer is yes, definitely you can start Java as your first programming language, right? Because Java is completely platform independent. Okay, so that we'll see what is platform independent, why it is not same as like C++ and other language, why Java nowadays playing vital role in today's market. Okay, anyways, like Java is going to be a evergreen technology for next coming years or in future. Okay, so we'll see introduction to Java. Like you can see the same questions. Why Java? Okay, why? Suppose you can ask these questions. Why Java? So what is that? Java program is a programming language. Java programming language mainly designed for what? To develop internet application. By what? Providing. Yeah, tell me. By providing platform. Just now I told you platform independency. Right. Yes. C, C++ programming language. What? Tell me. These languages support only what? Tell me. Standalone application. Only standalone applications. It can only be used what? And only be executed in current system. You understood or not? Like suppose a application got developed in C or C++ programming language. Okay, that can only applicable for current system, right? So that means can't be executed from remote server, remote system via any network call. Okay, so now see the thing is, where is that? 1 second. So now we'll see why this Zoom is not working. Right, okay. So now, yes, got it. Okay. So now we'll see what is the meaning of these things. Suppose this is our current system, okay, and this is the remote system. So now there is some programs like, let me write here, C program or C++ program is available in this current system, okay, yes or no? This system contains a C program or C++ program, right? Suppose some C programs or C++ programs is there, so this is current system, is nothing but current system, and this is nothing but what? Remote system. Yes or no? Any doubt, raise your hand, okay? So this is remote system. So now suppose we wrote some C++ program over here, okay, here some lines we wrote like C++ program, and what we want, can we execute this program or these applications in this remote system or not? This is the questions now, right? This is the questions. So this is C++ program and this is the remote system. In this case, you can say we can't execute. Yes or no? Because this is the C++ program. This is not. This is completely platform dependent. Platform dependent means what? This is platform dependent means what? Means all C++ programs can be executed in the same system only, in the current system only, where the code is available, okay, where the class file is available. Means in the current system only we can able to execute. But if you'll see, this is the this is a Java program. Yes or no? Suppose this is the Java program. What? Okay, this is nothing but Java program. Okay, this contains some Java program like public static void main, okay, some string, don't worry, you will see all these things one by one, string args, okay. So suppose this contains a Java program and this is also our current system, yes or no? Current system. So now suppose this is the remote system. Here in this case, can you tell me this is applicable or not? This is not applicable because C++, but this is applicable, yes or no? Why? Because this is Java. So whatever class file you wrote in our current system, we can able to execute in a remote system via network call. What is this network call? Okay, some processes are there, serializations, deserializations, that we'll see day by day next coming classes. But the thing is, through network call we can able to execute these applications, okay, Java applications in remote system also. Okay, here our class file, this current system contains our class file. Now how that main applications or that Java file is there in our current system? Now how that Java file getting executed in a remote system? This is the question, right? So this is the difference between C++ and Java. Since Java is the platform independent, this is not going to depend on the same current system. Yes or no? Yes. So simply whatever class file will be generated in this current system, we can execute in remote system as well. Any doubt? No. Okay. Next. What next? Now, what is the definition of Java? Okay. You understood here? Can you raise this image? Okay. Got it. Got it. So we'll now next questions. Next questions. Okay. What is the definition of Java? Definition of Java. Okay, so some features like you can say, see, suppose some person will be asking like, who are you? Okay, what will be your answer? Like my name is like this and I belong from this place. My father's name is like this. Okay, so what are the important features or what are the definition of a Java? We can say Java is very simple, high level, okay, secured, multi-threaded, platform independent. Yes, tell me, object oriented. See, we'll see all these things one by one. Why we are calling this as simple? Why this is high level? Why this is secure? Okay, why it is multi-threaded? Why we are calling this as platform independent and object oriented? All these things we'll see one by one. Okay, so now object oriented programming language. What it was developed by whom? See the names. The creator of Java. Who is that? James Gosling. In Sun Microsystem. What is this Sun Microsystem? Sun Microsystem is nothing but the company. Okay, Sun Microsystem. Sun Microsystem. Got it? Yes. Okay. In the year of what? 1990s. Okay, Java is the 19th technology. Okay, you know that 19th songs, okay, evergreen songs, okay, like this 19th technology. So always it will be evergreen. For developing, for what he developed that Java applications? For developing what? Tell me, internet applications. For developing internet applications. Its first version is released in what? January 23rd 1996. Got it? 1996 first version means Java 1 came into picture. Okay, any doubt? So here now you can ask me one more questions. How it is different? What is the difference between Java means C, C++ and Java? Why should a person go for Java? Why should not he go for C++? See, C++ are it's a basic things. Okay, that is fine. But the thing is, nowadays so many applications are developed through by using Java only. So if you go for C, C++, there you can find some technologies. Okay, there you can find some technologies like what? Pointer. Okay, what? Tell me. Some important, some very confusing things that are there in programming language. Okay, and also syntax wise, if you go for C, C++, it is also bit complex for a developer to learn all these things. Okay, so some topics are there like pointers. Okay, structures. Okay, not anything else. What? Tell me. Union. Okay, operator. Like these multiple concepts are there in C, C++, which will be going to be critical, which will be going to more complex for developer to understand or for students to understand. Okay, so all these things are not there in Java. So everything is whatever the things are available in Java, all these things are object oriented. Okay, so now we'll see what are the important features are there in Java. I will ask you one question. What are the important features? Okay, so here we have what seen all these features: simple, high level, secure, the multi-threaded. These are nothing but what? Tell me. These are nothing but important features. Now next questions. Okay. Important features in Java. See, just be patient. We'll see the programming one by one. Okay, just have patience. After that, interesting, concepts will be coming into picture. We'll see them one by one. So important features are there in Java. Okay, to support what internet application development, Java programming language what has, tell me below features. Okay, what are the features? Yes, tell me. Java is simple. Java is simple, then secure. Yes or no? Yes. Then robust, then portable. Java is portable. Okay, then Java is what? Object oriented. Yes, tell me. Just above we have seen that object oriented. Yes or no? Object oriented. Java is multi-threaded. At a time, multiple threads we can execute Java applications. This same thing is not applicable for C and C++, but it's a high performance. What? Yes or no? High performance. It's distributed. It's dynamic, etc. These are nothing but feature of what? Tell me. Feature of Java. Okay, understood or not? So now one more thing we'll see. Okay, these are the basic things. So what are the technology used in a programming language? Okay, what are the technologies not only in Java? So here we'll see what are the technologies are there. Okay, behind Java, to suppose we are developing on applications, what are the technologies are used? So technologies behind Java. Yes or no? Yes. Source code. What is this? Source code. Okay, source code is nothing but what? Developer written. Okay, whatever programming we are going to write, suppose we are a developer, we are a person, we are going to develop one application, so that we need to write the code. Okay, it is written in according to programming language syntax. Yes or no? Means whatever going to, by using some programming syntax, if we wrote some code or anything, so now we can count as a developer, and since we wrote the code, that code we can call as programming. Understood? Yes. So these are nothing but source codes. Then now next technology. What is that? Compiler code. What is this compiler code? Compiler code is nothing but compiler generated code, generated program is converted from yes, tell me, source code. You understood or not? Getting source code. Okay, so now you can see. Okay, now see here, let me draw a diagram. So this is the source code. Yes or no? Yes. This is JVM. JVM is nothing but, this is JVM, Java Virtual Machine. This is nothing but source code. Yes or no? This is source code, and this is from source code. See, this code written by developer. Yes or no? This is written by developer. Okay, now my question is, this is JVM. By using JVM only we can execute our Java applications. Yes or no? This is a Java applications. What? Java applications. So this whatever code is available inside this syntactically program who developed. Okay, So these things, can JVM able to understand these codes directly? No, never. JVM will not understand all the source code directly. For that, what is required? Compiler is required. Compiler is what? Compiler is a it's kind of a translation program, okay, that converts a source code into machine language. Understood or not? Because see, JVM is nothing but a machine only. Okay, so machine can able to understand a machine language. See, these codes, whatever we have written here, suppose some codes we have written here. Understood? So this code, who wrote? Developer wrote. The developer is who is a developer? Person is a developer. Okay, understood or not? Person is a developer. So person means, suppose I am a person, I am a student is a developer, I am a human being. So this code written by a human, so machine cannot, JVM is a machine, this is nothing but a machine. Understood or not? Machine. So machine can't able to understand this human written code directly. Understood or not? So for that, what will happen? Compiler is came into picture. What this is? Compiler. What compiler will do? Compiler will convert the source code to machine understandable code. Okay, means machine language. Then after it will send that to JVM. Understood or not? Any doubt? So here in between one more also came into picture. What is that? That is interpreter. Okay, interpreter is nothing but it is also same as compiler, only it is also translation of program that converts source code into machine language but line by line. Here what compiler will do? Compiler will what tell me? Compiler will convert the source code to machine understandable code. Okay, this is nothing but interpreter. Okay, so see source code we can't send it to directly to JVM, but we can, this is correct way. Source code will be converted to machine understandable code. Who will do that? Compiler will do that, and also interpreter will do that. But difference between compiler and interpreter is interpreter will convert the source code to machine understandable code line by line, but compiler will convert whole source code. Understood? So first line will execute, interpreter will send that to machine. Second line after that means line by line interpreter is going to convert from source code to machine understandable code. Okay. Any doubt? So now after this, what will come? Executable code. So whatever code now came till JVM, Java Virtual Machine. So what means that is understandable by OS. OS means JVM is available in our OS. Understood or not? JVM is there inside our OS operating system. So whatever code we are sending to JVM or compile through compiler anyway, through compiler it converted, and those codes are now available in JVM. So JVM is available inside our operating system, correct? So our operating system should understand those compiled code or not, because this JVM is going to execute these codes. These codes are called as nothing but executable codes. Got it? Yes. So now here next process. What is compilations? Okay. So here till here understood? Hey, come on. Get it right? Fine. So developer. So here source code converted to machine understandable code by using compiler and interpreter. One more concept is there, compilation. What is compilation? So whatever process happened here, okay, here this is a process, correct? Till here from developer code to compiler code, whatever process is called, this is nothing but compilation process. Compilation process. Got it? So here After compilations, compiler what when compiler now send or interpreter now sending this code to machine or to JVM, this process is nothing but what execution process. Clear or not? What? Let me repeat. This is source code. This is developer written code. Human beings, some human written codes. Okay, that means human written programs. So this code can't be understood by JVM directly because JVM is a machine. Machine is not going to understand what human means. Human has written or anything. Human mindset, a machine can't be understand. So first these things will be converted to what? Some machine understandable code. Machine understandable code means nothing but here compiler and interpreter came into picture. What compiler will do? Compiler will take the developer written code or human written code and will convert that to machine understandable code. Understood or not? Then same thing interpreter also can do. What interpreter will do? Then what is the difference between compiler and interpreter? Interpreter is nothing but convert the source code to machine language code line by line, but compiler will do at a time. Understood? So now the process by following which source code will be converted to compiled code, means source code will be converted to machine understandable code, that is nothing but compilation process. Okay, then after compilations, when that compiler will send that machine understandable code to JVM, that process is nothing but execution process. These are all these things we are going to write over here. Yes or no? Here compiler code. Any doubt over here? Yes. So now this is what compiler. Okay, don't worry, you will see programs line by line, so then you will be enjoy a lot. Okay, just to wait for 1 or 2 classes, you will get to know. It is what? It is translation that converts. Tell me that converts source code into machine code, machine language at once. Okay, so now interpreter, what is that? It also translation that converts what? Tell me, source code into machine language, but line by line. Understood or not? But line by line. You clear? Hey, tell me. If anyone having doubt, just raise your hand immediately, because these are the basic things you must need to be clear before going to the programming. Okay, so once you get any doubt, just ping immediately. So now the thing is what? Executable code. Executable code. What? Executable code. Operating system understandable code is nothing but executable code. What we have seen previously. Okay, JVM, the code which is contained by the JVM. When compiler send that compiled code to JVM, that compiled code is nothing but executable code. Got it? Now compilation. What is compilation? Okay, it is a process. Yes, tell me. It is a process of translating source code to compiled code. Now execution. What is this execution process? It is a process of spelling mistake, translating what is that? Translating. Okay, yes, it is the process of translating, okay, compiled code to get output. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. So now what is the next thing? So just now we have discussed Java is a platform independent. Now immediately you can ask one question: what is the mean by platform dependent and platform independent? Understood or not? That we have completed. Okay, in the remote system, okay, and current system, that is nothing but platform independent and platform dependent. Okay, so now, okay, we'll see. Also here we have used one thing, okay, one word we have used: internet applications. And also here I have used only standalone applications. Here what is the meaning by standalone applications and internet applications? Yes, tell me, what is the st- meaning of standalone applications and what? Remote applications means so standalone applications and internet applications. See, standalone applications means, let me give you one clear example. Here you will get it. So, what? Suppose this is one application. Okay, this is standalone applications by using which, okay, we can execute only one thing at a time. Like what we can say, How can we give you an examples? Means here it is no way is going to related to any network call. Okay, so like suppose, okay, first let me give one internet application. Suppose this is a bank applications. Okay, this is a bank applications and this is the UPSC site, right? So now you are a student. Here you are a student. Yes or no? Here you are a student. If you are a student and this is UPSC site, UPSC site means nothing but what you can do, you can apply, you can check, you can vacancy. Yes or no? So the thing is here what you can do here, okay, person can search anything in the internet. Suppose this is the Google. Yes or no? This is Google. Okay, and this is Google. Here you want to search UPSC vacancies about, let's see, vacancy. Okay, now we hit the applications from Google. So how it is coming to internet and how it is throwing some results to us? Yes or no? Understood or not? So that is nothing but internet application. Got it? So now this is kind of, also you can say, two types of internet applications are there. What is that? Web supportive applications. What is that? Tell me. One is web supportive application and web applications. Understood or not? So two types of web applications are there: web supportive applications, web applications. Okay, so same like this, you will see what is the standalone applications. Standalone application means we are not supposed to provide any data from internet and we don't want. Suppose simple applications will be there like operating system. You can say one operating system. We can take an example of operating system. Okay, operating system, what this is developed by using C++. Okay, so that is the thing. At a time in one system, see, operating system can we use one operating system in multiple applications? Suppose you want to access this operating system, Windows 10 or Windows 11 or Windows 8, whatever it may be. Can you access this one? Suppose this is Windows 10, Windows 10, Windows what? Windows 8. So suppose these are some Windows applications. So can we, suppose you are a person, so can you access this Windows 8? See, Windows 8 and Windows 10 are nothing but some code languages are there, okay? Behind Windows 10, behind Windows 8, some code will be there, definitely, yes or no? So if you are a person, can you access that Windows 8? Suppose Windows 8 or Windows 10 is there in this system. This is our current system. Can we able to access? No. Why? Because this is standalone applications. This already developed. This is only for one system, one machine. Okay, multiple person can't be access these things. You understood or not? But here if you see, a person can search in something in internet and it's getting the some output from internet. Okay, that is called internet applications. So this is it's kind of web applications, because these things are what deployed in a cloud, means anyone can access. But here a person cannot access Windows 8 or Windows 10 codes. Okay, because some codes are there behind this Windows 10 and behind this Windows 8. Correct or not? So now you cannot access these things because this is the nothing but standalone application. This is nothing but standalone application. Yes or no? Yes. So here two types of web supportive applications and web applications are there. These are the things. Clear? Yes. So now you can immediately you can ask one questions. Okay. Okay, sir. What is web supportive applications and what is web applications? Yes or no? What is web supportive applications and what is web applications? That will see. Let me show you that. What web two types of internet applications are there. What is that? Two types of internet application. So today we'll see how we can download Java and how we can work all these things. So, okay, so tomorrow we'll see our first program, how it is working, okay, and some important concepts. So types of internet applications is there. Two types of internet applications. What is that? First one, web supportive applications. Here we can say in client computer, and second one is what? Simple web application. This is not supportive, understood? This is executed in server computer. Yes or no? Yes. So now what is this? This is nothing but web supportive applications. Here we will draw one diagram. Okay, based on this diagram you will completely clear what is this two what internet applications, web supportive applications and web applications. Okay, let me draw that diagram. First, what is this web supportive applications? See, this is nothing but, see, client. Not this is not the client, this is whole system. Okay, in this system, suppose, so here see, yes or no? Yes. So this is one thing and this is server. Clear? Yes. So now what tell me, this is nothing but what? This is nothing but client. Okay, client system. This is nothing but client system. Inside this client, what will see? This is the client system. Now, as I told you, as a person, we need to send the request from internet, right? So here this is one internet application. So you can tell this is browser. Okay, you can think about it's a browser. Yes or no? From this browser, this is browser. Okay, so from browser we are supposed to hit, okay, we are supposed to hit what? Some some kind of website. Suppose UPSC website we are going to hit. Fine. So what will happen? From this it is going to come into the what? Till these locations. What is this location? This is nothing but server. This is nothing but server system. This is left side is client 1, right side is server 1. Server is nothing but cloud server. Got it? So in cloud server, just think there is program. Understood or not? Here, suppose program is available. Okay? Here program is available. In cloud, program is there. So when we hit that up any website from client, now it came to the program, yes or no? So from program directly what will happen? It is going to see, this is web supportive applications. Okay, so what will happen? So from program it is going to what tell me. Here also program is there. This program first will hit applications in web supportive applications. It came to server system. From server system it will collect that program and again it will return back to client. Again it will return back to what? Tell me. Client. It's nothing but program. Okay, it's nothing but program. So from client only it is going to execute. So what happened? This is the first step. Yes or no? This is the first step. Okay, then this is the second step. Yes or no? Then from here what will happen? From now program came into from server to client. Yes or no? Yes. So this is the program. Now it have to be executed in client area only. You understood or not? Yes. Now it have to execute what? Executed, and next it will return the output. Got it? Clear, right? So that means these things has first any person hit any website from client machine. Now that request went and request got hit what? In server system. This is nothing but request. From server, in the second step what it will do? It will download that program and it has stored in a client system. So from client system only that program is getting executed. Now this is nothing but web supportive application. Any doubt? Here any doubt? Anyone? Hey, come on. No doubt, right? Super. So now next we'll see what is web application. What is web application? What is web application? Yes or no? Yes. Web application is nothing but the same diagram. Same diagram will be there. Okay, the same diagram will be there. What? The same diagram we will create here. This is nothing but web application. You understood or not? So now what we'll do? We'll erase. What? We'll erase. How to increase? Oh. Okay, we'll erase. What will erase? See, these things we are going to erase. Understood? This program and other things we are going to erase, because in web applications we are not supposed to download the file, we are not supposed to return that program to client machine. Yes or no? What is happening, boss? Hey. uh, Now fine. Now like this we can erase. Good. So okay, so now see, simply we can execute these things. Okay, so client, see, this is client side. Okay, now if we'll see, this is program, request came here in second place. It is not supposed to download. Okay, it is not supposed to download anything over here. Got it? So now if we'll see, this is when that request came from client machine and server system contains that program, here only in server only it is going to execute. Okay, but previously what it was happening, it is returning that program to client system. Understood? Here this will not return, here only it will be execute, here only it will be execute, and it will return the output. Okay, and it will return the output. Got it? And it will return the output, and that output is going to be, yes, tell me, and that output is going to your client machine. Understood or not? Any doubt here? This is the first step. Okay, this is the second step, this is the second step, this is the third step. Okay, this is the fourth step, output generated, and this is the fifth step. Understood or not? Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt? No doubt, right? No doubt. Is that clear? Yes, yes. Okay, fine. So now these are all these things. Now till now we have covered what? Okay, how, what is the source code? Okay, how Java, what is the introduction to Java? Okay, how Java came into picture, how it is different from C++ or C. So can you start Java as your first programming language or not? So all these things we have seen. Okay, all these things we have seen. So now first we'll go for how we can go. If we want to work on Java, then first thing what? Tell me. What is the first thing? First thing is software. First thing is applications. Do we have Java applications? Yes or no? No. Suppose you don't have Java applications. Now my question is how you can now we'll see how we can download Java, how we can execute these things. Okay, so before going to that, okay, one thing we'll see later, or that JDK, JRE, once after downloading that Java, so you'll see. So I'll show you like how we can download Java, how we can install that, how we can set the path in our class path. Understood or not? Yes. So if you go for here Google Java, what see, nowadays Java 21 is the latest version. Java 21 came into picture. Got it? So if you'll be checking, okay, if you'll be checking what is the latest version of Java, okay, if you'll be checking what is the latest version of Java nowadays available, okay, Java 21. But the major, the drastically changes happen in Java 8, okay, and Java 17. So any version you can download, okay, but mostly Java 8 and Java 17 are appropriate. So Java download, just type 17, Java 17. Here able to see my screen. Okay, internet is not there. So what we'll do, we'll connect our internet and I'll show you how you can download the files. So tomorrow we'll see, by executing one program, tomorrow we'll see, and what tell me, tomorrow we'll see, we'll execute one program and we'll see some major concept of JDK, JRE, okay, and other things. Yes, yes, yes. What is happening? Yes, boss. So this is completed. Just wait a second. Let me complete to my internet. Yes. So now it is connected to my internet. What we'll do? We'll go for that in yes, Java google.com. Connection was interrupted. It is not working. Super. So see here Java AC17 download. Yes or no? So simple Oracle side. This is the Oracle side. From here only you need to download these things. Got it? So here Java 17, all these things. See, you can see Linux machine. See Java AC development kit. Understood or not? This is proper site. You can get all these things. So multiple Java 17 for Linux system, for Linux ARM64 MB, but we need, for my case I am having Windows. So Windows 64 installer we can install. We can download this clicking on this binary file. Understood or not? If you are having Mac OS, you can download this one. If you are having Linux or Ubuntu, so you can download this by clicking on this link. But currently we are having this Windows 64 installer, right? Just you need to click on this download button. Yes, yes or no? So once you download, you can find is application something like this. What you can find in applications something like this. What is that? What is that? Tell me. Yes. So like this Java software C17 Java 17 Windows 64 bin. Understood or not? This is the applications. What? This is the applications Windows JDK 17s in my Windows machine, because this is my Windows system. So these are the thing. Okay. So what you need to do? You need to simply click on the Java 17 path. Okay. So what it will ask? It will ask it to go for a next. Okay. So here, once you click on this, okay, once you click on this, okay, see, already I am having that Java 17. For your knowledge sake I want to show you. So some it will take some time, okay, because internally it will set up some build kind of things it will set. Then one Oracle pop-up page will come. Simply nothing you need to do, just next, okay, finished. What? Next, finish. So then you can find Java will set up in your system. Okay, Java will be set up in your system. Just click on this software, just next, then finish. Understood? Yes, see, it is preparing to install. What it is showing? Preparing to install, but I have already that software. Okay, so but still I'll show you how you can, what will happen next, how you can click on next. Okay, there might be some problem will come. So here just click next and finish. Java will install in your system. See here, see the software already been in your computer, would like to install it, then I will tell no. Fine. Okay, now since once you finish the installation process, you can find that, go to your C file, program file. In that program file you can see what Java is there. So I am having two versions of Java 8 and Java 17. Currently I am having Java 17. So once you install Java 17, you can find a folder like this. Just click on this, go to bin. Here this is the address bar. Yes or no? This is the address bar, bin address bar. Just copy this one, and we see, now we have downloaded and installed in our system. So when we will be executing any applications, how our application will get, means JVM will get to know in which path the Java 17 is installed. Yes or no? Java is installed. Okay, Java is installed. Then how JVM can, Java virtual machine can recognize the path of Java 17 where that Java 17 getting installed in our machine. Understood or not? So for that, what we need to do? We need to set the Java path in our what? Tell me. We need to set the Java path in our So environment variable, like how just right click on this PC, properties, you understood, just right click on this PC, properties, what, yes. So here you can find advanced system setting. I'll go to advanced system setting. Okay, so it is asking for password for me because I have set this password, but in your case it is not going to show. But if it is showing, you can provide your password as well. So just click on advanced system setting. What, it's came or not? Yes, environment variable. Just click on environment variable. Here we can see system variable, user variable. Okay, so in user variable, what is the difference between system variable and user variable? See, in system variable you can see path is already there. Here also path is already there. You understood or not? Path is already there. So if we'll edit these things, see Java 17 is there here or not. So here automatically it will come. But the thing is, in system variable we need to set. So just click on path in system variable section, click on edit. See here, just here dot symbol is there. You can find a dot symbol, right? So what you can do, just put your control V. Just put your what? Whatever path we have address we have copied from Java installation directory, we can put it here. Just give a dot at last. And also what we can do, suppose in my case Java 8 is there, Java 17 is also there. Okay, so in if multiple Java software will be there and you want to execute what, Java 17 over Java 8, right? So what we can do, simply what tell me, simply you can move off all these things. Okay, you can move off all these things. Simply you can what, like this you can move off. Just click on move off, it will come one by one, one by one, one by one, one by one. So in top you can find my Java 17 bin path is there. Understood or not? Now just nothing to do, simply okay, 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 that's it. You also need to do like this only. What we are doing, first we can install, we can download the applications from by entering into this site. After download completed, what we can do, yes, tell me what we can do. Simply we can execute what, simply we can just click on next on that downloaded software and finish it. Now application got installed successfully. Is that clear or not? Once application get installed, you can find that applications Java will be displayed in your program file. See program file. Okay, Java here, whatever Java version you are having, just enter into the Java 17 bin folder, click on the address bar, copy all these things, go to this PC, right click on this PC. We need to set the path, Java path means we need to tell to JVM, hey JVM, this is my Java path, you can use this path to execute the Java program. Got it? Advanced system setting. Okay, yes or no? Then go to environment variable. Here path are there. Okay, so suppose here if you want, sir, what is the user variable? So in user variable the same thing also you can set. Okay, by just mention, okay, whatever name you want to give, Java home or anything. Here you can means just see this is temp is coming. Okay, here we don't need to do anything, like just click on this edit. Here also we can add, but the thing is this is system variable. In system JVM is there, so it's better to add in system variable. So like this we have added over here. Understood or not? Yes. So now see, don't delete anything from this path, whatever is already there. This you might face some problem. Okay, don't delete anything because this is system provided. Don't do any kind of modifications over here. Just you can add your things and just click on OK. Right. So now okay, 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 got it. Now Java is successfully installed in our system. How we can check Java is successfully installed in our system or not? Now how we'll check that? This is just go for command prompt. In command prompt, Java hyphen hyphen version. What is that? He see. Here you can see or not? Java 17. Able to see my screen, right? This is Java 17. Java 17 is now available in my current system. Got it? Yes. So now after installation of this Java 17, here you can see one thing is there. Okay. So if you go for this C drive program file, here Java is available, right? If you go for here, you can see 1 second, or let me show you the Java 18 also 8 also. Here you can see JRE is there, but see here we are downloading JDK 17. Once you open this JDK, you can find some JRE would be there, right? JRE would be there. 1 second. So what is this JDK and what is this JRE? Okay. See, suppose here JDK 1.8 is there, JRE is there. Even if you open this JDK 1.8 also, you can find JRE. Then what is the difference between JDK, okay, and JRE? So see, when we are downloading the software from Oracle side, you can see what JDK 17, JDK 17, JDK 17, JDK 17, yes or no? So what is this JDK? And after downloading this JDK, what is the thing JRE that coming into picture and internally? Okay, what is this JDK and what is this JRE? So let me show you by telling on example. Okay, what is this JDK and what is this JRE? What is this JDK and what is this JRE? Yes or no? Yes. So now we have installed all these things. We'll see by taking one examples. Okay, this is Java software. What? This is Java software. Yes or no? So we have downloaded the Java software. After that Java software downloaded, what happened here? Two things came. One, second one. Yes or no? First one is nothing but what? JDK. Second one is nothing but JRE. Yes or no? This is nothing but JDK. This is nothing but JRE. Yes or no? So what is this JDK? So these two we can call this as, and what JRE are called as JRE are called as principal product of Java software. Yes or no? Principal product of Java software. Now this is JDK, this is JRE. Okay, so once we install all these things, that means Java JVM is also got installed in our system. Okay, JVM means what? JVM is nothing but Java virtual machine. Yes or no? Yes, JVM also got installed. Once we downloaded that Java software, internally JVM will also come. So now you can ask me one question. Okay, sir, what is JVM? What is difference between JRE, JVM and JDK? What are all these things? I don't have any idea. Okay, so here we will see what? Yes, tell me. JDK here and JRE here. So what we'll see, what is this JDK? Okay, what we can tell, what JDK has, see, JVM. JVM is what? JVM is subset of JRE. Okay, subset of JRE means JVM Java Virtual Machine and JRE Java Runtime Environment. Let me write here Java Runtime Environment, and here JDK is nothing but Java Development Kit, and here JVM is nothing but Java Virtual Machine. Yes or no? So here JVM is a subset of a JRE. That means JRE internally contains JVM. Okay, and JRE is the subset of JDK. Understood or not? That means when we will download that JDK software, it internally contains JRE. Okay, and JRE internally contains JVM. You understood? Yes. So now one more diagram if you'll see, this is our compiler. Okay, suppose just imagine this is not compiler, this is JDK. Okay, this is our JDK, Java Development Kit. Inside JDK, what will be there? JRE is there or not? Yes, this is JRE. This is nothing but what? JRE. This is JRE. So inside JRE, what will be there? JVM will be there. JVM will be there. So now, you understood or not? That means whenever we will develop any kind of program, okay, suppose this is, see here inside JDK, compiler is also there. Compiler is also there. Okay, compiler plus JVM, we can say JDK is nothing but compiler plus JRE. Yes or no? Compiler plus JRE means it is the combination of compiler and JRE, and internally JRE, which is nothing but Java runtime environment, it contains Java virtual machine. Got it? Clear? So whenever any program will come into picture, or will develop any one program, so internally during executions it will search, is there JDK installed in this machine or not? Okay, so whenever, suppose this is one program, okay, this is a Java program. Okay, so whenever we execute this Java program, first what it will search? It will search JDK is installed in the system or not. Understood? This is a system. This is nothing but a system. In this system, we are having one. What? Tell me. Suppose see, this is a system. In this system, Java program is there, and this is our Java software. So whenever we will execute this Java program system, Java program, so first it will search in this same system Java is installed, software is installed or not, means JDK is installed or not. So now it found yes, JDK is got installed successfully, fine, JDK installed. Now again it will search the path is JDK path is there in that environment variable or not. Now as I have shown you, like the same process, suppose our class path is also properly good and everything is good and well. So now Java programming found yes, JDK installed in the system. Okay, now what will happen? JDK is nothing but combination of compiler plus JRE. Yes or no? Compiler plus JRE. JRE is internally contains JVM, which is Java virtual machines. So now that Java programming is going to hand over that program to compiler. What compiler will do? Compiler have to give that code to JVM, means Java runtime environment or Java virtual machines. So JVM is not going to understand direct developer's code, yes or no? Yes. So what compiler will do? Compiler or interpreter also you can say, it will convert that developer code, human related code, human developed code to machine understandable code, which is nothing but a JVM. So JVM is a Java virtual machine, which is a machine which will understand the compiler bytecode and it will execute the application. Clear? Any doubt? Anyone? Please raise your hand. Here today, in today's class, what we have completed till now, we have completed what? introduction to Java. Why should we go for Java? What is the difference between C, C++, Java and other programming languages? Okay, how, what are the important concepts are there, like source code, compile code, means these are the basic things. Suppose if you are going to build a home, say, okay, build, you want to build your home, some basic things is required, right? You need a proper architecture, yes or no? You need a proper setup, yes or no? So before building, before creating one home, so you need all the setups. So these are nothing but very basic things. See, if suppose if you don't know what is JDK, JRE, okay, what is Java, so definitely next coming future days, or in next coming days, next coming classes, you will be getting confused, like how we can, install software, how we cannot. This is going to be very hectic. Just be concentrated 2 3 days, you will enjoy a lot. Okay, so thank you guys.